Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's Einstein activity says a 4-digit number is a palindrome with both only odd digits. The sum of the middle digits is 3 times the sum of the first and last digits. And then I had a typo in this last sentence, so I'm changing it today. It says the last digit is 6 less than the second to last digit. Sorry about that if you were confused and you couldn't figure it out. So let's start with that first sentence. We're going to go through every clue to figure out what number meets all of these requirements. The first sentence tells us that we're dealing with a 4-digit number. So I'm going to write in 4 lines to represent the 4 digits. The next clue is that this number is a palindrome. A palindrome means you're dealing with a number that is the same combination of numbers forward as it is backwards. So 11011 is a palindrome because you could reverse the order completely and you would have the exact same number. Then the next clue says we're only dealing with odd digits. That means the numbers you're considering can only be 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. The next clue says the sum of the middle digits, or the middle 2 digits, is 3 times the sum of the first and last digit. Okay, so that's a really important clue. So I know the 2 middle digits here and here will be the same. And I know the 2 perimeter digits, the first and the last, will be the same. Now the sentence tells us that the sum of the middle 2, or where the blue arrows are, needs to equal 3 times the sum of the first and last. Well, let's just play around with some different combinations. I automatically know that the middle 2 numbers must be larger than the exterior 2 numbers, because if the middle 2 numbers are 3 times as big as the exterior ones when they're both added, that would make it to where no small numbers would be in the center. Well, I'm going to consider that sentence and I'm going to move on to the last sentence. It says the last digit is 6 less than the second to last digit. So of my odd numbers, I'm going to figure out which 2 numbers are exactly 6 away from each other. So I can see that could either be a combination of the 1 and the 7, or it could be a combination of the 3 and the 9. Because the problem tells us that the sum of the middle digits is 3 times the sum of the first and last digits, this will help me narrow it down when I know the 2 combinations it could be. So right now I know that it's either going to be 3993 or it's going to be 1771. Now I'm going to sum the middles and I'm going to sum the perimeters to see which of these 2 combinations fit. So if I add the 9 and the 9 together, I get 18. And if I add the 3 and the 3 together, I get 6. Does that meet the requirement? It says the sum of the middle digits is 3 times the sum of the first and last digit. That does meet the requirement. Let's check the second one just to make sure. 7 and 7 is 14, and then the 1 and the 1 is a 2. But 14 is not 3 times as much as 2. But the 18 and 6 does meet the requirement because 18 is 3 times more than 6. So the answer to today's Einstein activity is 3993. Guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And as always, here's tomorrow's Einstein activity. See if you can solve it before I do, then comment down below with what you think the answer is. Then head over to supereasymath.com and click on math videos. Once you're there, you can have access to all of my videos where I teach everything in order with notes the way you need it.